Hi everyone!
Hi everyone, welcome to Dubai in Palm Jumeirah. We are here to present one of our last projects in one of the most luxury position and front. Actually, we have two more villas, so we are talking about villa very expensive. And in this case, we did a renovation where we actually make our client very happy in order to rent, not to live ourselves. We will start then very soon a new project.
And it's already rented. Just deliver the key and already rented.
Exactly. So I give the key to Cinta to open
Let's go.
beautiful house. Just to give you a very brief while she's opening, we redesigned the full facade, keeping the same structure. So we redesigned the full door. We changed full windows. We created big windows in this room where it's basically a studio or a guest room, whatever. Let's go inside. So first of all, we try to, as usual now in all the garden home, to make the entrance a little bit more pleasing, more welcome actually. And changing the structure of the stairs with a classic marble and glass railing. Regarding the decoration and finishing, I'll let Cinzia.
Yes, we start of course choosing the floor. The goal was to do something nice, but be able to like everyone. So as it is up to the rent, something polished, simple, not too much invasive. The brief was nice, very clean, very neat, in order for the rent people to decorate as they want. Okay, let's move on. We can discuss about the marble that we're using for the staircase. That is the marble again. As you can see, it's not too invasive, very delicate, very sophisticated. You can appreciate the chandelier at the entrance, that is really nice. This house is ready to be decorated. So this is the beauty of this, and if the renting people, there will be someone that wants something super luxury, they can add some partition. If someone very minimalistic, the house is already perfect for them. So Marco, please talk about the extension.
I want just to show you like a little detail on this type of stairs. Normally, the glass are bolted in every single steps. This is our design part. You know, as Italian, we try to be as simple as much as we can. So it's bolted only like every fourth, every third step. And this make looks like the stairs looks like much more lighter. What we have done here, basically we block this entrance from the kitchen, so we have a proper entrance, and we reduce the powder room to give even more space to the living room. So before the powder room was actually reaching the windows, so now it's one single powder room, and Cinzia, you can explain the powder room.
Yes. Also for powder room, we try to be a bit simple and please everyone's taste. We use this special paint, champagne, a little bit of turquoise. We bought this big mirror in order to make it even bigger the powder room. We fell in love with the client with this basin that give a touch of luxury, but again not too much. Mixer, of course, from the wall, a fluted long vanity, and the marble again not too much invasive as a top. Here again everything insert, ready to be decorated. So we need here a big paint, so of course we need to have something to personalize this villa. So Marco, window.
So basically another objective here was, as usual in our project, was like to merge, to give the impression to have an all-in-one environment, landscaping, outdoor and indoor. And as you can see, we leveled the full garden, including the pools. We extended the area. We made the stairs on the side almost invisible. You don't even see them. And so you can access the beach from there. The level is the same. And we opened completely the living room, and we built two types of kitchen. We have a gourmet kitchen here, and we built on the back side a very big, like, dirt kitchen. Living space looks one single space. From a beautiful bar counter outside, full in Travertino, real Travertino, and to the pool, the beach, the sea, is you can enjoy every single centimeter of a beautiful space. These are local windows, so not extremely expensive one, a very good price, but even if you go to local window, select the proper supplier, and we do, of course, with our supplier that it took a long time to recruit, you know, but the mechanism is really good. And you can push with one finger. And these allow you to open completely with no effort.
Wow.
This looks really amazing.
I can talk about the material that we choose there for the floor. It's a tiles looking stone, very simple, ash grey, and the pool is with these tiles special for pool in this blue color that we took back for the shower. Again, very minimalistic, ready to be decorated. And if you can see the bar, on the bar we use travertine ash grey. So I really like this color. Of course, we have the pergola in the same color, wall light, very nice in this anthracite color. And I mean, I really like this garden, super clean, because at the end of the day, what really matters is the view. Nothing distracts you from the view. There is no need to clutter this garden. Of course, here we use a partition in flat in order to be able to don't lose any centimeter of the view from here.
Welcome to this beautiful master bedroom. Here we try again to maximize the outdoor and indoor. So we create actually this big, huge window, single opening, where basically the window itself becomes like a terrace, what we call like a French window. What does it mean? When you open, you have your baluster with glass, 2 centimeters, beautiful to see, and these allow you actually to use your master bedroom itself as a real terrace and enjoy the view at 180 degrees.
Master bathroom, again, simple, but has everything that you need to enjoy a big master. So these tiles, Calacatta gold, a long vanity in this really nice walnut color, walk-in closet, fully integrated. In this case, what really matters is the layout more than anything else. You move here and you have this really nice freestanding bathtub, big walk-in shower, and the WC area a little bit more in the discreet position.
All the first floor, we play with a nice and smooth and simple floor, wooden floor, oak, blonde oak color, that you get along with the sea. It's like a sort of very like a Mediterranean taste, mixed to the local needs as the houses for rent.
It's very nice to see the transition between the color of the floor and the color of the outdoor. So it's really fully integrated.